Good morning, student. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. Today there is a topic of comparing ratios. So we'll put up some situation and we'll compare the ratio. Which ratio is greater? Which ratio is lesser? So we'll compare both the ratios. So ratio is like this. If I'll say milk and water ratio is of Raz bottle is 1:4. Milk and water ratio Irfan bottle is 2:3. Same capacity bottle. This is Raz is having same capacity bottle as well as Irfan is having. So the ratio of milk is to water 1:4, 2:3. Raz की बॉटल में 1:4 दूध और पानी का रेशियो है और इरफान में 2:3 का है, 2:3. Okay, so whenever we are comparing these ratios, so represent the ratio in the simplest form. First point is simplest form. Okay, simplest form. Second point, first you have to simplest form means fraction form. Then find the LCM of denominator of the fraction. Then LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Okay. Third, convert that fraction into like fraction. Convert that fraction into like fractions. So like fractions. So these are the things, key things which you will have to remember. Then compare the numerator. Then compare numerator. Compare numerator. So larger, greater numerator will have greater ratio. Greater numerator, greater ratio. Greater numerator will have greater ratio. Greater numerator will have greater ratio. So we will compare this one. The ratio is given 1:4, 2:3. 1:4, 2:3. तो simplest form हो गई 1/4, 2/3. 1:4 is 1/4, 2:3 is 2:3. LCM of denominator. So LCM of 4 and 3. What should be the LCM? 12. 4 and 3. This is the denominator, this is the numerator. Upper one is numerator, lower one is denominator. Numerator, denominator. 4 and 3 LCM 12. So you have to make the like fractions. Like fractions कैसे बनाते हैं? 1/4 को यहाँ भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, इधर भी 3 से, क्योंकि 12 बनाना है. So 3/12 and 2/3 को 2/3 इसको 12 बनाना है तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो 2 4 8, 3 4 12. तो दिस इज द लाइक फ्रैक्शन वेयर डिनोमिनेटर आर सेम इज नोन एज लाइक फ्रैक्शन. सो लाइक फ्रैक्शन हो गए इनके 3/12, 8/12. सो कंपेयर न्यूमरेटर 3 और 8 को कंपेयर, तो 8 बड़ा है. ओके, तो इट मीन्स greater numerator will have greater ratio. It means 8/12 is the bigger one. 8/12 कहाँ से आया? 3/12. 8/12 2/3 से आया, 2/3 से. So 2/3 will be the bigger ratio. So इरफान, so आप ऐसे बोल सकते, you can say 2/3 is greater than 1/4 or 2:3 is greater than 1:4. This is about the comparison of ratio. We'll put up some another example. This is as per the rule we did. First we have to find the simplest form. Simplest form means you have to convert the you have to write it in the fraction form. 1:4 means 1/4, 2:3 means 2/3. LCM of the denominator. Now the 4 and 3, the LCM of denominator 4 and 3 का LCM 12. So you have to make the you have to convert these fraction into like fractions. So make it to 12. So 3/12 and 8/12. Then compare numerator. So 3 is lesser than 8. So whichever is the numerator greater, that will have the greater ratio. So 8/12 means 2 upon 3 is the greater. So 2 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 4. It means 2:3 is greater than 1:4. One question we'll do here, we'll put up some question here and we'll compare another thing. Okay, so I'm taking another questions here. Compare the ratio 7:6 and 15:9. Compare 7:6 and 15:9. So you have to compare these ratio. So first write in the simplest form. Simplest form में what is the simplest form? 7/6. What is the simplest form? 15/9. Okay, step 1. Okay, step 2 is what? LCM. LCM of 6 and 9. How do we take the LCM? Like this, ladder form. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 2 is 2, 3. So 3 3 2, 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18. LCM is 18. Okay, so LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So now step 3, you have to make them into like fractions. So 7/6 है, इसको 18 बनाना है. 18 you have to convert the 18, तो 3 से multiply, then make it multiply by 3. 7 3 is 21, 6 3 is 18. Same way, okay, this one you have to 15/9 है, so 18 बनाना है तो 2 से multiply, 2 से multiply, तो 30/18. Okay, now this step 4, compare. This is 18, this is legs are same, denominator are same, so you have to compare the numerator. Whichever the numerator is greater, that will have the greater ratio. So here numerator कितना है बच्चों? यहाँ पे numerator is 21, here is numerator is 30. Which one is greater? 30 is greater. It means this one is greater. Means 30 is greater than 21. 30 कहाँ से आया? 30/80. 30/18 is greater than 21/18. 30/18 कहाँ से आया? 15/9. Means 15/9 is greater than 7/6. Means 15:9 is greater than 7:6. So this is the comparison of ratio. This is one of the beautiful question. You can like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching our channel. In case of any query, you can put the comment in the comment box. Thank you.